If you've ever spent a Saturday afternoon sweating behind a push mower while your neighbors are at the lake, it's time to hand the keys over to a robot that actually knows what it's doing. Welcome back. If you're looking for the absolute king of the hills in 2026, the Mammotion LUBA 3 AWD 1500H is the high-traction, wire-free beast that just made your old gas mower obsolete. This isn't just a random robot vacuum for your grass. It is a 360 degrees situational awareness powerhouse. The standout feature for 2026 is the triple fusion navigation system, combining 360 degrees LiDAR NetRTK, no perimeter wires needed, and AI vision. This allows the LUBA 3 to map your yard with centimeter-level precision and, more importantly, navigate flawlessly even under thick tree canopies or near tall walls where GPS signals usually fail. With its all-wheel drive AWD system, it doesn't just handle hills, it dominates them, climbing 80%, 38 degrees, slopes that would make a human operator tip over. What really makes the LUBA 3 the premium tier choice for 2026 is its massive versatility and protection. It manages up to 15 distinct zones, allowing you to set different cutting heights, from a golf green 2.2-inch to a rugged 4.0, for your front yard, backyard, and side garden. This specific bundle includes the standard garage, providing a weather-shielded home base for the mower to retract into when the rain sensors trigger. With its dual cutting disc design and ultra-quiet operation, it keeps your 0.37-acre lot looking like a professional landscape job 24/7, all while you watch from the porch. Click the link below for the best price and take your weekends back. If this breakdown helped you decide it's finally time to fire your lawn service, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the autonomous tech that actually changes your life. See you in the next one.